Nak jing pau perthai ya jing don ktiu khana bakhalai snam karta halor ka jing yap hybrid in sapira ling dot mau nai south nam karta nalor ka jing thau khana jong u halor ka jing don ka Scorpio Ïong na kalyang uba Vivex SP ka East Castle district Ïong bakal long ka ka ba sngokya badan hab ban Tohkit banya ya ki Jingkynnoh ki balami hakini ki khendiat sngi ki bala lej Abakran sikilat pathai kubor haka khat nyau tarik nailur araja arpusan uba Vivex Ïong baka jingmi kini ki Jingkynnoh bat kumjuru ka jingmi kini ki jingja sendat kalong ka ka ba sngokya bat ka ban hab ban ti banya ban lap ya ka jing Shisha Ïong bolo yo ban priang ya ki babun ki jing ujor halor ka ne bat kumta un hab ban penlong ya ka jing Tohkit ka babanya
See, that is a pattern which is very disturbing in fact now, because with social media and all that people can easily come up with a story also. Of course, these claims are being inquired right now. Our officers and teams are inquiring whether these claims are true or not. But this pattern of coming up suddenly after this case of children, and also you see the pattern is when they are going to school or whether they're going for tuitions, that somebody is trying to abduct them is disturbing, and it also we require to find out whether it is true or not. The veracity of these claims need to be inquired.
I have these cases registered in respective police station.
No, they have first been there because they've been just reported today. Most of them have been reported suddenly today. A number of them being reported everywhere today. So they're being inquired. If there is anything which is concrete and which is actually the veracity is true, then we will register a case.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya